Canopies and 4x4 back here again. What have we got for you guys today? We've got a nice, lovely sunburnt orange MR Triton in today. We're going to do a quick little video showing you guys how to get one of our platforms on there. This video is going to be applicable for all you MQ owners as well. Other than that, let's get right into it. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, hopefully you enjoyed the fitment process on this platform. You guys can see it's very, very straightforward. In this particular application, what we've done is gone ahead and fit it in its high position. You've actually got the option to lower that front if need be. The reason why we did that is because we wanted to level it with the racks that we've also fitted a canopy on top as well. So if you want to grab a platform for yourself, you can. ozcanopies.com.au is the place to get it. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. We'll see you guys on the next one.